Stop. Have you been studying a language for years and still can't speak fluently? Your problem isn't the dictionary. Your brain is wired to clear out unused information. You are failing because you are playing by the wrong rules. Traditional methods like vocabulary lists or grammar books feel productive, but neuroscience confirms your brain tunes them out like static noise. These are the 5 shocking secrets the world's most successful polyglots use to defeat the forgetting curve and acquire a language at lightning speed. Secret number 1, the pattern hack. Stop memorizing isolated words. Your problem isn't the dictionary, it's fluency. Single vocabulary items are useless without context. Your brain acquires language through patterns and chunks of common phrases. Your tool: focus only on high-frequency sentences and common patterns that you'll actually use. This small, consistent effort is known as the Kaizen principle. You only need 6 minutes of focused, daily practice to see massive growth. Secret number 2, the directness hack. Forget grammar rules. Grammar creates paralysis by analysis. The goal is to communicate, not to pass a test. This is the directness principle. You must practice speaking from day 1. Instead of spending hours reading rules, force yourself to use the language in real-world scenarios. This direct application is the only way to build fluency. Secret number 3, the struggle hack. Active recall. Embrace the struggle hack. Language patterns won't stick unless your brain fights for them. Think of it like training a mental muscle. This is the power of active recall. After hearing a new sentence, close your eyes and force yourself to recall the whole pattern. Struggle is the key to permanent memory. Secret number 4, the result focus hack. Leave the comfort zone. Forget feeling good, focus only on the result. The comfort zone is your enemy. Real learning happens when you are in a state of challenge. If certain sentences or patterns have become easy for you, stop wasting time repeating them. Your tool: intentionally raise the difficulty level. By abandoning the comfort zone, your progress is guaranteed. Secret number 5, the immersion hack. Read stories. Stop learning about the language. Immerse yourself. Reading provides massive, low-effort input that your brain needs to naturally absorb structures. Your tool: commit to reading graded readers or comics that you understand 95% of the time. Read for pleasure, not perfection. This effortless input floods your brain with patterns. You now have the 5 rules. 1. Master patterns. 2. Speak directly. 3. Embrace the struggle. 4. Focus on results. And 5. Immerse yourself. Your excuses are officially over. Stop memorizing today and start integrating these cognitive hacks into your routine. If these 5 secrets change your language acquisition speed, subscribe now. By subscribing, you help this message reach every struggling student who is wasting years on the wrong rules. Take action today.